Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up of the layered ice cream cone dies. This is a sweet set of dies that will create a beautiful little ice cream cone. There are two sizes of the scoop. There is a die that cuts out a dropout of a sentiment, and look at that textured cone. Here I have die cut several of the pieces in a variety of ways. We've got the fallout letters from that Have a Sweet Birthday. We've got it cut into the large scoop of ice cream, and I've backed that with another piece of white cardstock that is also die cut with the same thing. Here we have a stenciled waffle cone, and we just have the textured waffle cone, both cut with that coordinating die. I cut the stenciled one out by cutting out the die with typing paper first, laying it over, and then running it through. Here we have a couple of simply die cut and then stenciled scoops, and we have this completely stencil ice cream and die cut. Here we have all die cutting and a little bit of stenciling on one of the scoops of ice cream and the sweet layered sentiment. So many awesome components to this small die set. It's got a great price point. It's only $11.99. Here are a couple of cards that I created using this die set. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now's the best time. If you're interested in the product I featured here, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.